So today we are going to work on data that we had already downloaded earlier. If you haven't had a look at the previous episode that I uploaded, I will put links below for the same data and then the transformed data as well, so you can download it and continue from this episode. But if you have time, you can obviously go and watch the previous two episodes. They're about 35 minutes long. So both of them, not two. So one is around 28, another around 10, I think 40 plus minutes. So this particular video today is an episode of manipulating data that we had already downloaded. So let's open Google Chrome. Yep, it's already there. Sorry. Now, as if you do remember, we downloaded data from our world in data.org. We did search COVID and clicked COVID-19, and then this is the particular data that we want to use this data. So we want to use the data that we downloaded to create this particular map. First of all, we need to create this particular table and then the map and chart. So as you can see, this is USA, Brazil. This is exactly what we are going to do today. So in order for us to start, let's just click on table and select confirmed cases. Yeah. Now this one, the map will be like this, the chart will be like this. So this is exactly what we are going to generate. But for now, let's start by generating this table. So just come here and download this particular data set so that you can exactly see how we can work on it. So here we go. You open it. Once you open it, you can close. Okay, you can minimize or close, whatever you want to do with it. Now this is the data that we have right here, and we want to use the imported data from the dataset COVID-19 and extract this information as it is. So let's open our SQL SSL Studio, Management Studio. Pardon me. And connect. There you go. So we did import data to this particular database, the SQL portfolio database, and this data is both this and this one. So now we need to open our query. So open, just open file, go to desktop, SQL, queries, open this particular query. This is the one that we had created. Now this one was episode episode 3. Right. So if we select, I have to write it because we have them here. So just unselect this one like that and run it. You can see this is all the data that we have for both COVID deaths table and COVID vaccines table that we did convert. Now we need to use this particular tables to create and extract information that looks like this one. So the first thing that we need to do, as you can see, is I'll do that. Yep, like that. Now this one, okay, let's click on it. Now this one, as yep, as it is. Let's comment it out. And now, so we need to create a table containing the entity column, anyway I can copy and paste it here. So following columns. So the entity column, okay, the day column, this, yeah. So this is what we need to do. This is our process now. Okay, now I have to enlarge this and let's start. So the first thing I need to do, the entity is the country. So let's put select 3. So most of the time what I usually do is I come here, I select the columns, and now just drag and drop like that, then comma. We have the entity day, so this is the date. Okay, so we can pull this one and put it there like that. Okay, now the last one is total confirmed cases of COVID-19 per million people. So okay, let's see where's the total cases per million people. There you go. So as you can see, they changed the okay, let's just run this first of all. So from SQL portfolio dot where's okay, so this one right there. So this is the COVID deaths table. So let's run this particular this is the first step that you need to do. So let's just label it as first step. Okay, like that. So okay, comment this out. Okay, right now this is the first step, and you can see the data as it is. But we want our data to look like this. So as you can see, this particular columns like this one, the column title is entity instead of country, as you can see here. This is day instead of date, as you can see. You can see this one as well, total people confirmed, whatever. Now what I'll do is the second step, yeah, the second step is to now convert these particular columns. So second step, convert column or rename sorry. Okay. Now you can put that one as that. Now at this point we'll say select. Okay. We'll put country as it is. So I'll copy this. As entity. So let's copy and put it there. It's the same as this ones as well. Just bring them here. Now the day. That's the day. And this one is right. Now and then we can say from. We can select our database and table. Then now we can run. Select. Okay, where is it? Confirmed. Near confirmed. Yeah. Like that. Now if you run it, yeah, run it. Where is it? Okay. This is as day. Okay. Where is it? Near this. So where? Right. COVID-19. Okay. Just remove it. Just wanna see something up. Okay. It won't work. So we will just continue with what we are doing. Like that. And now it's ready to go. Save. Now we have the entity day total confirmed cases of just now. It's like this one, but we need our data to our day to have this standard format than this one. So as you can see, this is the date time, but we need only date. So right now, add step is so the that step is add date time to date on day column. So this is it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is the select statement. So select date. Let's select the date. Okay. Date, sorry. Yep. Now after you selected the date, just you can write convert, put date. This is the target type. So this is the data type that you need to put the expression as well. Now this expression is this particular column name, column title, and then after that, okay, I'll just put this one down here so it can be easier for everyone. So from, I'll put this particular database, the portfolio database, and this one, and then dot dbo.covid dates. So that's it. So we have selected. Once we select, let's just run it. Yeah. Once we run it, you can see that this particular data has been converted to similar to this one, right? But now I need this standard date to have a name. So I will come here and say as standard, as day. Okay, let's put it as day, right? So if we run it, it will come as day. This is what exactly what we want. Yeah. Now, once we do that, we need to add. Okay, we need to update this particular table so that we can ensure that this table is present. So this format will be present. One way to go about it is to update. So you can update, and then you put there this particular. You put the database and the table. Now put set. Okay. Now once you put set, you need to put a date there. So a day. So let's just put day as it is equals to convert date and time. Okay, now let's execute it. So what's here? What's wrong here? I'm not sure why it's doing that. Okay, let's just put update. That. So let's run it. Yeah, this one was supposed to be date, not data. Date. So sorry. So this one I can just put it as day, and we can try and run it again. Okay, there's something wrong here. As you can see, invalid column name. So we need to set this one, but now I need to set this date right here over here. So I'll not put to put, but I'll put it like that. And then, okay, now it's all selected now. Right, so select, yeah, select date. But yep, just let's run this. You can see the days there, but the problem is this date is still the same. So this particular platform, this particular statements won't help at this case. So let's now alter the table. So let's alter table. Okay, alter table. Let's select which table it is. So it's this table. So we bring it here. We now add. So let's add a column called day. So let's put day as date. That's it. So once we do that, we can now run this particular statements, and after that, now we can date date this particular table, and once we update this particular table, it will be possible for us to now set day as convert date. Now we can use this date here. So date, that's it. Okay, right. So let's run it. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now let's see what we got. If you run, this is what will bring you. But now I want to see the column that was created already. We can as well refresh, and you can see the column right here. So is it okay? It's here day. Now I need to select this particular and now need to to show you how we can now put this particular column like this. So we need to put select, okay, and then we can put these ones that we did earlier like that. We put them here, and then we can this day we can just put day. That's it. And now this one select from. Let's run it. Roll, roll. Now we are almost there. So we have the entity, we have the day, we have the day. Total confirmed. We have every single bit of thing here. So we still need to continue because in this particular this one I think is almost sorted. So this one is sorted. So let's now see whether we can order by day. Okay, and see, no, order by entity and then by day. Okay, so this one right here, all of them, let's just comment them out like that and come here, just come and say, so this is step what? This is step or fourth step. Fourth step. What we have for the fourth step? So the fourth step is okay. Now we're gonna take these particular ones that we had and put them here. This is the last action that we did. Okay, now yeah, remove that. So this particular step here is to order the columns as required. Right, so let's order by. So the first column is the entity, but I will just put number 1. It will be easier for me. And number 2, that's it. And now let's execute. As you can see, there are some null. Okay, let's come back. You can see Afghanistan is good. This one, they start from this particular date. So we need this particular date, and there are no nulls. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put okay, yeah, required, and now remove null cells. Okay, so let's remove the null cells. So we're gonna do this where okay, this one is okay. This is the name of the column of the total confirmed cases. This is the alias, and this is the particular column, the column, the column name, which I can also do like this, so not to confuse a lot of people. I can just come here and see the total where the yep per million. I can put it there and say it's not now. Let's run it. See, it's beginning to look like Christmas. Oh, okay, perfect. Now we're ordering it with the date. Everything is okay, but now we need to change this particular format, as you can see. So let's start by writing this particular statement like this. Select. Okay, let's copy this as there. We just need to copy all of this. Come down here, paste. So before I change anything, I need to just show you how it's done first of all. So you can select, then say what, what, then you can put your yep. Now you can put your date, which is here. This date is the one. Okay. And now right here, we need to put the format. I need the days to start. Okay. Now I need it to be like that, and then make sure you follow this case sensitive. So the month should be capital M, O, and the year, it can be, it has to be lowercase. Right. So once we format this date, now we then can close it, select, just say from okay, this, okay. See first of all if it's, yep, all done. This is converted. So what I'll do is I just take this particular format like right there and come and put this one here, right? And I'll put it the earliest to be as day. Okay. And after I've done this, I can now run this particular, and as you can see, we've got our, yeah, exact as here. So if you can go down to number 54, you can go down to number 54, you'll see this is it. Everything is on point the way we're supposed to do it. So if you want, you can now export this particular file. So you can just come here on Excel, okay, file, new, blank, come in to data, just say get data from the server database. Yep, this is the one, the SQL server. Click on it. Right here we need to know the server name. So our server name, you can just come here and just click on connect, copy, right? Okay, you can put it there. You need to specify the database that we need. So let's come back to our data, and then now let's click on, this is the one, rename and copy. So come here and then paste. I don't need to rename anything. And then now I can come and copy this particular query, because if you can see, this is the one that if you execute, it brings this particular table that is similar to this one. Right, so I'm gonna put okay, right. I need to copy these particular statements that will generate the table, and then paste it, and then put OK. Now you can see the data, you can preview it, and then you can load it. Now you have almost the same. So we got almost the same. So if you can go down, and Afghanistan, go down 55, yeah, 55. Let's close this one up. You can't see. You can't see. This is 55. This is 55. Okay. We have 0.2. Okay. Now we've finished this one. Upload everything that we just did today to GitHub. So go to GitHub. Now I will click on SQL portfolio, and then I will then upload this file. Upload. Okay. Come to desktop SQL. Upload this one right there. I can. Okay, I've already done it. Let's choose this one. Okay, this is the one that I created, and I'll put the other one that was downloaded as well. So let's go to downloads. This one, that's it. Okay, let's upload them. Make the changes. You can see there's only one person watching. That's me. Okay, now this is it. Please hit that like button if you like this particular content, and hit the subscribe button as well so you can be notified once I upload a new episode. See you in the next episode.